Good morning guys, welcome to another daily market forex analysis. Today is the 2nd of September, it is a Monday. Let's get started by marking the charts. First of all, if you're trading the USD pairs, remember I always start on the DXY, it gives you a better indication where price is going for the USD pairs. So if we're starting a weekly time frame, remember I'm just following the process as I have done. I'm just going to mark support and resistance levels on the weekly first. As you can see here, price has been respecting this since November 2022. So we know price is expected to travel between these levels. It's now close to the support. We can expect to go up to resistance here. That's how we can predict the market on a weekly, but obviously we need to break it down further on a daily time frame. Again, as you can see here, we're in a downtrend. You can see low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, low. This is the most recent low, low. This will be support. This was a lower high, this would be a resistance, however you can see it's slightly broken up. It's made a higher low, so it's potentially going to this level here. So that's how we know we can identify our daily levels. Always look at the market structure. So because we know it's in a downtrend, I'm just going to go ahead and mark this support level because it's the most recent support. That price is respected. Here you had a resistance on the daily time frame. You can see price has potentially breached it and going up. So I'll still leave it here because it could also go back down. And then also this is your other resistance as well. So if price does breach and go up, it would go to this level here. If it's going to just retest it, have a fake out and come back down, then we know where it's going. But this is a most recent lower high as well, lower low. So now we've done that, on go to the H4 time frame. We can see this is a most recent H4. So we can use this as a H4 support level. And your most recent resistance is this one here on the H4 time frame. So as you can see, you've also got these two, this daily level here. So I'll send this to the back so it's quite clear. Price is potentially at a daily resistance. We don't know whether it's going to make a higher low and go up, or it could retest it and go down. So today is a Monday, it's the first day of the month. It's critical that we don't just jump into a trade. We need to know where price is going to make it more clearer. At this moment in time, it's a bit hard to say whether price action is going to be bullish or bearish. Let's go on to the Euro GBP. So I'll start from scratch. We'll always start on the weekly, get your support and resistance levels. Support, resistance, go to the daily time frame. We want to repeat the process once again. We can clearly see prices at support level here. And you want your resistance level, which is clearly this one here, where they've made a low high. So prices at support, potentially going up to this level here. Go to the H4 time frame, break the price down further. We can see this is a H4 resistance. So I will mark this level here. You can have them any color you want, guys. The zones, I've just got them these levels here because I've used them for a while. Easy to identify what is what. So this is the H4 support, H4 resistance. If we go to the H1 time frame, you can see price is currently at the H4 resistance. It's looking to potentially go back down. What I would do is on the H1 to H1 intraday trading levels, I would get this Fibonacci retracement tool. I would look at the previous day's price action, so the low, the day to the high of Friday. So this is a low, drag it to the high. These are your intraday levels before the market opened today at 8 o'clock. It is now 9:54. So before London session opened, these would have been your levels. So you know when price is close to the level or on the level. Close to the level on the level, we look for a sell trade here. Close to the level or on the support level here, we look for a buy. It's as simple as that, guys. Price is currently at the H1 and H4 resistance, so we're looking for sell trades to go down. Simple as that. Because this is the most recent price action, failure to point of failure, this is a potential trade setup that I would have. risking 8 pips to win 24 pips. That's a risk to reward ratio of 3. And let's say if I did want to enter on this trade right now, I would highlight the candle, go to M15 and look for a bearish candlestick. So you could have entered on this one here. Price is potentially going to retrace. We'd have to wait and see what this candlestick looks like. So just put a little reference line here. Once price breaches below this, I'd enter a sell trade. So price could also go up. You'll see it's just made a high low on a smaller time frame, which it has. High low, high high, high low, high high, high low. So price could potentially go up again and then go down, or it could just go down. And once it makes this lower high here, then I'd enter a sell trade. So I'm just going to wait and see what happens. I'm interested in a potential sell trade on Euro GBP. Now if we go to Euro USD, start from scratch, we'll start on the weekly time frame. Go to your support and resistance levels, sorry, resistance and support. Go to the H4 time frame. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is your most recent higher high. This could be your higher low. So there's your daily levels. That's how you identify your daily levels. Always look at the market structure, look at your higher high and higher lows and see what direction price is going. Price is currently bearish. Here I can clearly see we have a daily support, and also we can mark a daily resistance level here. Price looks to be going down to this level on a daily time frame. If we break it down further to H4, this is your most recent low high on a H4 time frame. That would be your resistance, and here is your support. Go to the H1, get the Fibonacci retracement tool out, look at previous day's price action. So Friday's price action, the high, the day to the low. These would be your intraday trading levels before the market opened today. Guys, I'm literally just repeating myself. Every chart, every time frame. I'm just following the process again and again. This is the easiest part. The hardest part is entering and exit the trade. So as you can see here, price at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. You can see there's a potential trade change of market structure. So there's a change of characters, people like to call it. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning, you could enter a buy trade. You still could potentially enter a buy trade. However, remember, as I said, guys, we're not sure what's happening with the DXY today. Whether it is bullish or bearish, we'll have to give it a bit of time. However, if we look on the daily, let's say this is a daily. This is a daily resistance. Go to H4, could potentially, maybe go down. We don't know. It's not 100% certain. It's not clear yet. Go to H1. I'd say high, high, low, high, 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 low, high, low, 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 high. I'd say, looking at price action, I would say it is going down. So in this case, I would say Euro USD is going up. But before I enter, let me just see the price action of GBP USD. So if we go on the weekly time frame, support and resistance levels on the weekly. There's also a weekly here. Go to the daily. What you could do is you could move this here. Daily support, daily resistance, which also falls on a weekly time frame. H4, resistance and support. I hope you enjoyed that quick session, guys. I've got to run it short. I've got a meeting right now. Like, share and subscribe.